what's good, bro? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today, man, we got Ozzy Osbourne Crazy Train lyrics. Now, when I say the last name Osbourne, bro, I swear I was thinking about Harry Osbourne from Spider-Man, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I was like, Harry be rapping? He be singing, bro? Like, what's going on? But people be like, nah, bro, nah. Ozzy Osbourne, bro. Go check him out. You gon' like this, you feel me? And I'm not gonna lie, all the videos that people be recommending to me lately has been straight up fire, bro. Straight up fire. Amazing. So here I am. Better check it out and see what it sounds like. See if it's hot. See if it's not. And if it's not, I'm gonna let you know straight up that this ain't hot. It ain't for me. But let's check it out.
That's how it goes. Millions of people living as foes. Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Mental wounds not healing. Life's a I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
Hey.
Let's go. I've listened to preachers. I've listened to fools. I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules. One person conditioned to rule and control. The media sells it, and you live the role. Mental wounds still screaming, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train.
Oh, whoever on that guitar is going nuts, dog. Going nuts. And I heard this beat at sporting events, you feel me? I done heard this beat at the sporting events. This the same thing that happened with the White Stripes, you feel me? That song, I forgot the name of that song. But I heard that song at sporting events and stuff like that. That's crazy, bro. No lie.
I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me. You gotta listen to my words. Yeah.
I am a big guitar fan, bro. And the guitar on this song, marvelous. Marvelous, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Spectacular. I love that right there. And I know for a fact, I done heard this beat at sporting events, bro. At sporting events, that's a fact. Maybe on a movie too, bro. Maybe on a movie too. I don't know. But for sure at sporting events, not the lyrics, but that beat at sporting events. I know that beat, bro. I know that beat. That was hard as hell, bro. Hard as hell. I like that. And I didn't know who Ozzy Osbourne was before this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But I gotta give this a 10 out of 10, man. A+ for me. I like this right here. But is this Ozzy Osbourne's biggest song, though? Like that's how I be sometimes, though. You know what I mean? Like, you get that one song, and that be the one. You feel me? That be it. But I like this song, you feel me? Crazy Train. I like it. I enjoy it. But, man, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, show love to the channel, and I'm out, dog.